called RoboStrategy. It's essentially a scoring path optimizer for FTC Robotics based on that specific season's challenge. So it calculates the best path to score as many points as it can. Right, so as you can see on render, we can just open it right here. Or we could go to VS Code. Just open it through there on the terminal. Right, so here's the landing page. It has the features on the app, as well as the project code. You can see the back end, the front end, and the landing page. Right, and before I go ahead and show you the app, I'd also like to discuss, what led me to want to make such an app in the first place. So for the first reason, I thought that path optimization, I saw it as as one of the more simple forms of using AI. Um, that's one of the reasons, and my second reason is a lot of my friends are actually in FTC Robotics, so it's always been sort of an elusive topic for me. Right? They kind of avoid talking to me about it. So I've been curious about what this FTC Robotics thing really is all about. I think now I have sort of an idea. Um, so yeah, that summarizes why I wanted to make this app. All right, so as you can see, we can change the theme as well as the accent of the words on the landing page, which is pretty nice. All right. So right here we've got the two seasons. I might add more in the future, but for now it's just these two selections. We've got the previous season, FTC Decode, as well as Object Collection, which is pretty much a placeholder for this upcoming season because the manuals haven't come out yet, so no one knows anything about it yet. So essentially, this is just a path optimizer that collects all of these yellow pollen to get to the ending point, avoiding these obstacles. So let's say I randomize pollen, randomize obstacles. There we go. You can see that generates the path. I'm not going to show the whole thing due to time concerns, but it just runs through, collects all the pollen. All right. Then over here in the 3D simulator, it's pretty much the same thing but in 3D, which is it's always in sync, as you can see. Follows the exact same frame. We've also got different camera angles. This one follows a robot. Right. And then we've got the AI algorithm stats, which are completely randomized, static. They don't really mean anything. But in the future, I might look to actually make this PPO model function to give feedback based on how successful the path is. Right. We've also got the velocity graph, which is pretty straightforward, and the AI chatbot over here. Then for the next season, it's slightly more complicated, but essentially it's dictated by the motif, which is the scoring pattern that the robot has to collect these balls in and then go to the goal zone and score them in the goal zone. All right. So let's say if you randomize the ball layout and change the motif, right? It should automatically change. So as you can see, it's purple, green, purple. It should collect in that order: purple, green, purple, and immediately go to the goal zone to score these in that exact order. As you can see, the points update in real time. So yeah, I'm not going to show that as well due to time concerns, but here's the 3D simulator. It's also always in sync with the 2D simulator. It's the same thing, includes all the game elements. And the rest of them are really just the same features as the previous season. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my app for now. I'll definitely try to make improvements on it in the future if I have time.